Dear TUMI 2020 conference participants, I am Christoph Hanser. I am representing Trufi Association, an international NGO that digitizes public transport. We are focusing on public transport that is informal, like it mainly exists in Middle and South America, Africa, and East Asia. We have created a journey planner app and are developing a data platform and a driver app. And we have created lately some features and apps that should make public transport safer during COVID times. Our team is global, and the communities we work with are local. We are a team of public transport experts, developers, community manager, and more. Most of us are based in South America and Germany, but also many people from Africa and Asia have lately joined us. We are developing digital apps. However, we need strong local support so that our apps are successful in the cities and countries where they run. Our best-known product is the so-called Trufi App. It is open source and white label, which means that it can be copied to any other city with its own name, colors, behaviors, and languages. To the user, it shows how to get from A to B. It gives different options for a full door-to-door navigation. It suggests street names, crossings, points of interest, and it's multilingual. And it's open source, and we are continuously developing along the digital principles. The expansion is worldwide now. We are discussing with many cities, and we've launched first pilots in La Paz and Manila. We've been launching productive apps in Cochabamba, Duitama, Accra, and Addis Ababa. The apps are called Trufi App, Trotro App, Yeneguso, Busboy, and it could be also Dala Dala app in Tanzania, Matatu app in Kenya, or Jeepney app in the Philippines. Our impact is that we build OpenStreetMap communities and train them how to map routes. We make all routes publicly available on OpenStreetMaps, and our app finds then the best multimodal door-to-door journeys. This way we help cities to plan better transport links with journey patterns from our user data. Within a hackathon last week, we built the basic features to enable physical distancing on public transport. With the driver app, bus drivers can share their position and tell if their bus is full or not. This way we are calculating the load of the network and display it in Trufi App. The user can then decide whether it's safe for him to use public transport or if it's better to wait. The dashboard shows where the buses are right now and whether they are full. This way the city can use the information and focus on hotspots of public transport. Thank you very much for listening to my presentation. The following video will show what we did during the hackathon. Please contact me if you want to know more about Trufi. Thank you very much.
Trufi is a multimodal journey planner for semi-formal public transport in big cities. It is scalable to any world city, even where there are overlapping decentralized transport networks. The app can be localized for the language of the users. In Ethiopia, it's called Yeneguso, which means my trip. "35 volunteers in 10 countries and 7 time zones held a hackathon to kick off an ambitious project to turn the open source Trufi Journey Planner app into a social distancing tool for public transport. The contributors are software developers, designers, and experts in international development.
I'm actually the coordinator of the driver app team.
I'm working today in the Facebook bot for the Trufi app.
I'm Sandra, one of your new UX designer.
Bus drivers will have an app to report the occupancy of their vehicles in real time.
With the current situation, we took into consideration the social distancing. Therefore, we added some features where a driver can say if the bus is actually full or it's empty.
Commuters planning their trips can see this real-time information in the Trufi app and plan the best combination of routes to minimize exposure. The Ethiopia Ministry of Transport is interested in these features as soon as they can be launched.
Especially in this COVID time, the problem that we face is that, we don't have a kind of system that tell to the people that which bus come at which time. And also we don't have a kind of cashless payment system.
In cities like Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, the Trufi capabilities will represent a leap forward.
One thing that we're learning from the COVID situation is that you really need digital transit data during these times, especially when you're trying to communicate to the mass and the public about any changes that are happening.
When we got, a chance to have this Trufi application, we can make easily the transport planning, public transport optimization, and also, accessibility analysis and development of innovative application could be, easily accessible and good for us.
The results of the Trufi App Hackathon were a proof of concept. Municipalities around the world want these features for their citizens. The social distancing features of the Trufi app can make public transport safer anywhere in the world.